Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will discuss summer care protection and 7 special feed for roses which protect during this harsh and high temperature environment in our country. And right now in my place temperature is touching around 40 degrees. So these are 7 biostimulants we will talk later in this video. So I request to watch this video till the end so that you know how to protect your roses during this summer. And this mulching is very important activity during this summer time. It protect your roses to retain the moisture in the soil or media and also provide proper moisture in feeder root zone. So during high temperature, first your top surface will heat up and that will kill the feeder roots. So your plant growth will be compromised. And these are pine bark chips, or earlier you have seen is cocoa coir disc, or you can use cocoa chips or leca ball, anything whatever you get in your place easily, uh, that mulch it to protect your roses and moisture in the soil. And this step is, I think, very crucial, normally neglected by most of the gardeners. So this is very important, this mulching thing. And second thing is this drip irrigation kit is very much essential for these pots. If your roses in ground, then this kit may not be required, because that mulching of 2 to 4 inch will retain the moisture for roses on ground. But roses on pot, you need this drip irrigation kit uh, for proper watering scheduling and when you are out of station. So this kit will take care during your absence. And this is a water timer for scheduling your watering. Here you can set frequency as well as time, how long it will water your roses through this drip irrigation kit. So it will schedule your watering while you are away or you are not at home, or you can see it is ease up watering for your roses. So this is very important, and this water timer is for 2 zone or dual zone, and it comes in single zone, dual zone, triple zone or 4 zone watering. Whatever and required, you can purchase either single zone or twin zone or multiple zone. And third thing is what fertilizer we have to give during summer. So summer that fertilizer changes are very much required, because due to high temperature this microbial activity is very limited, and it is, I can say, compromised during this 40 and 40 plus degree temperature. So this ammonical nitrogen won't be sufficient for our roses. So we have to increase the feed of nitrate nitrogen in our rose feed and limit the use of ammonical feeding nitrogen. So around 10% you can go ammonical nitrogen and 90% nitrate nitrogen. And second thing is this P value. This phosphorus thing we have to give in limited quantity during this summer long, and also this potassium or K thing in NPK we will give after nitrogen. So more nitrogen we have to give, and second place is potassium, and third is phosphorus. Because high phosphorus content will make your soil more basic or higher pH value. So during summer that we won't require that our pH will high and our rose health will be compromised. So we will limit the pH through this controlled P feeding, and in case still that pH is high, then you have to amend it through uh, water which is having pH of 5 to 6. So for that I have shown and put many video for pH amendment in my channel before this video. So either you can use pH down solution or anything vinegar, but a pH meter is very much required for precise measuring up this pH value. While amending the pH in roses, so you give low pH watering during evening time only, and don't give it to morning time. If you give in morning time, then there is chances of wilting and scorching in your roses, and top shoots will burn. So amend pH during evening time so that plant can assimilate and recover during next day. During this summer time and hot weather, many pests and disease to our roses are there. So insect infestation is mainly this thrips, and this mites issue is more prevalent in our area. So to mitigate this insect infestation, we have to use either organic way of control or chemical way of control. There are many organic formulation are available in the market which I have seen are effective, and you can use to prevent insect issue by applying them, like Kaka, Theta or Exodus. These are good insecticide you can use organically, and otherwise you have to use any good insecticide which contains imidacloprid, uh, which can be used on roses as a chemical way to control them. And other problem is that this fungal infection in the root zone is also common during this hot weather. For that you can use organic way this trichoderma vidi. We will discuss uh, later in this video, or chemical way you can use any good fungicide which work in your area. We have to provide our roses, particularly small and new roses uh, a good shade to limit the temperature rise and their chances of survival. And roses which are more than 1 year old, which may survive uh, if you keep them in open area, but there are chances that some damage can be done to some of the roses because high temperature, particularly around 45 and above 45 degrees, that enzyme denature problem is there. If that occurs, then your rose will surely will die. There is no chance to protect some of the roses. So some of the varieties are prone to such kind of problem. So it is better to keep them either shade up some big tree, or you can use shade net. 50 to 70% shade net can be used, so the temperature under the shade is limited, and your roses will survive and thrive better in those shady area during this hot summer. And these biostimulants are very essential for growth and health of our plant. So first question is what is a biostimulant? And simple answer is that anything that promote plant health and growth beyond the any NPK or micronutrient supplement, that is called biostimulant, and they have potential to grow the plant beyond the any of the NPK or micronutrient feed. So they grow the plant beyond the capability of any supplement or feed of NPK. The first biostimulant I have listed is mycorrhiza fungi and trichoderma viride. So this mycorrhiza fungi is well known to increase root growth and increase the nutrient efficiency of plant. So, and it has also the property of drought tolerance and water use efficiency. So this property is very essential in summer season, and other thing is that it also increase branching and flowering in the plant. And trichoderma viride is basically a fungi which used as a fungicide. So it fight pathogen and various parasites and organism in root zone which are harmful to our plant. So it increase the uptake of nitrogen, chlorophyll, and plant health and yield. So this trichoderma viride is although a fungicide, but it works well with mycorrhiza fungi. So both can be used in a combination, and it is an organic way to improve health and yield of the plant. So this trichoderma viride and the mycorrhiza fungi you have to use during summer month also, and due to high temperature there are chances that they may die. So every 7 to 10 days you can replenish it with new batch. And use of this humic and fulvic acid is well known, and they can promote root growth and chlorophyll content, and second is stress tolerance. And due to heat, any stress is coming to plant, it will mitigate that, and it also improve nutrient uptake and cation exchange capacity. So it is very essential to give humic acid during summer month, and at least once in a uh, 15 days you have to give this humic and fulvic acid combination. And this fulvic acid is having low molecular weight as compared to humic acid, and it helps to bind minerals and other nutrients together. So plant can assimilate them later stage or later time, and there is less chance of leaching of nutrients. This seaweed extract, which is also known as scalp, is widely used in agriculture and horticulture, and peoples are know more about this thing. So they have lot of benefit because it is packed with micronutrients and various growth hormones and amino acids, which promote growth of beneficial microbe and improve the flowering and fruiting quality. And one more quality which is important during this summer season is it is improve drought tolerance in plants. So roses can fight better with this high heat condition if you are using seaweed. And I request that when you are using seaweed, use it with humic acid, because seaweed will make your new shoots or leaf very tender, and humic acid will strengthen it so that it won't wilt during summer time, and it also prevent scorching of roses. And use of this protein or amino acid is very essential, and I have stressed this thing in previous couple of videos. Even in growth season it is very much required, and here during summer time it uh, also improve temperature and drought stress during this summer time. And protein or amino acid are well known to improve root structure and plant growth and yield, and it also improve metabolization of nitrogen. So it is very essential for plant during this summer time. And this protein availability is also beneficial for microbial growth in root zone. So it is recommended that once in a 10 to 15 days, one little feed of this amino acid is required. If you are having anything like seaweed or any other growth promoter liquid which contains amino acid, then you can use that thing. Or if you are using pure amino acid, then go for its specific formulation. and this silicon is a very inert kind of substance, but use of this silicon phosphide can improve this water use efficiency and transpiration in plant, and it also protect plant from stress of drought, temperature and sun. So in summertime this quality is very much needed, and the use of this silicon is recommended here, and this salt toxicity and heavy metal mitigation is also added advantage of this silicon. And I think very long back I have made a small video on silicon, calcium and this boron thing. These last two biostimulants, phosphite and chitosan, are very new to our country. So I want to go a bit detail in these two things. And this phosphite is only phosphate with one less oxygen atom, and this phosphite is used as a fungicide in many countries, and it is very new to use, and it is being first uh, used during this 90s, and it stimulate the root growth. If you spray this phosphite, potassium phosphite liquid in plant leaves, so that translocation of this phosphite is very fast in root zone, which promote very healthy root growth, which you won't get through normal phosphate feed or anything that PO4 that is phosphate feed of any fertilizer. So it is going beyond what ever is contained in this phosphate fertilizer. So it is a biostimulant, and better root growth you will get here. So ultimately this will help to mitigate any root damage during this high temperature. So use of this phosphate is also recommended. The last in the topic is chitosan, and it is derived from chitin from crab cells or any prawn cells or any of the mushroom stock. So these are very essential component. It is a basically polysaccharide or cellulose, or you can say sugar group of this substance. So it improve health and vigor of plant, and also increase chlorophyll and photosynthesis in the plant, and it induce plant resistance, means resistance to any damage due to external reason. So this will help to mitigate this summer season, and it also reduces fungal, bacterial, viral pathogen or any nematode problem issue. So chitosan is very easily available in the market if you search for it, and if you won't get then you just crush the mushroom stock, and just give a basic media to that stock for a few days, and that will separate chitin from that solution, and from that chitosan can be derived. So that liquid after that balancing the pH you can use in your plant. So same thing you can do with crab or prawn cells, so that that chitosan can be uh, naturally derived at home for your plant. But I recommend that it is available in the market, so kindly purchase it if you can. So at the end, I have mentioned this seven biostimulant which give growth to your plant beyond any NPK or micronutrient feed. So every ingredient is not required immediately. If you are having any of the 3 to 4 ingredient like mycorrhiza fungi, seaweed, and this humic and fulvic acid and this amino acid, that is sufficient to mitigate this heat condition. If you include all 7, then it will be better. If that is not there, then not much difference is there. So any 3 to 4 ingredient if you are having, then use it, and don't rush to buy anything. Um, just I am saying that to which will help to mitigate this heat stress. So any of the 3 to 4 ingredient you can source it, then that is sufficient. So it is a long video. That is all, friend. We will again meet.